Come follow along with us on a cattle ranch in British Columbia. We first went to a leased pasture close by where we had to walk to the top of the hill to check the water. It was quite a steep climb, so we decided to do it before breakfast early in the morning when it was cool. I had the baby in the backpack, and the 3 boys walked ahead, and we followed the cattle trail up the hill. I always love this walk because the views are magnificent. You're kind of on top of the world. We saw some deer running away down in the bottom pasture. And then the boys decided to race to the top of the hill to be on top of the world. Got to the water source. The cows actually beat us up there. It looked pretty good. We're going to have to keep an eye on it. There's the view from the top. And then we had to make the walk back down the hill, back to our vehicle.
Onward, Trent, we're going!
We had some breakfast and then we loaded up with water and hauled a load of water to another leased pasture. This year, because it's so dry, we're having to haul water to a couple different pastures. Hopefully we get lots of snow this next winter and the water holes will fill up again. When we're at the pastures, we always like to check the cows. There's one of the bulls. He looks like he's doing well. And of course, the boys like to play. Good thing it was a hot day because they were splashing each other. And then we saw our set of twins, but they aren't actually twins. It's just a young cow that's taken on a twin from another cow. The boys thought it was quite fun to watch her. She's doing a good job looking after both of them, so I'm assuming that twin now has 2 moms, her and her actual mom. We then came home to check the sheep. They've been in this pasture for a couple days, so we just wanted to make sure that they were doing well, and we feed the dog, fill their water. They look very content. Then it was time to mow the lawn, and the other boys were playing on the slip and slide in the yard. After working in the yard for a while, we went down to turn the show heifers out onto pasture. We kept them in by themselves for a little while after they had been to the show, just to make sure they were healthy. And then out they went with the rest of the herd in the back. So they'll be there for a few weeks and before we bring them in, ready for the next show. There you go, girls. Go be a real cow for a couple weeks. It was a busy but very fun day on our cattle ranch in June.